Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future videos. Today I am going to share an easy DIY face scrub recipe with you. The face scrub made up of coffee and brown sugar. The face scrub will help you glow your skin and remove dead skin, dark spot, pimple marks. Also remove a blackhead and whitehead. So let's see how to make a face scrub at home. For this face scrub we need a 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 2 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 2 tablespoon of almond oil. We need to mix it very well. So our face scrub is ready and we have to apply on our clean face and give a massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Scrub a little bit on your nose, on your cheeks, around your mouth, your chin area, on your forehead. Give a massage for 2 minutes. So I have applied the face scrub on my face, give a massage for 2 to 3 minutes, and now I will wash my face and show you the result. So I washed my face and now you can see my face is clean and glowing. So please try this DIY at home and share your result in the comment section below. And please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.